Hello, my beautiful viewers. We are asked to find the value of x in this equation. 4 to the power of x equals 100. So what we're going to have 4 to the power of x, okay, equals this 100 can be written as 25 multiplied by 4. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, so let me try to divide through by 4. If I divide through by 4, okay, divide through by 4, so you see that this is going to cancel this. All right, so we're going to have what? We're going to have 4 to the power of x over 4. And here, from the law of indices, so when you have something a to the power of b divided by a to the power of c, you know that this will be a to the power of b minus c. All right, so that's what we're going to use there. We're going to use. So moving on, so we're going to have 4 to the power of x minus 1 equals 25. Okay, so now from there, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to introduce logarithm to the both sides. So we're going to introduce logarithm to the both sides of the equation. So I'm going to have log 4 to the power of x minus 1 then equals log what? Log 25. Alright, so from there, you know that this x minus 1 we have to come down. X minus 1 then log what? Log 4 equals log what? Log 25. Are you following? So now from there, we move on. So we're going to have dividing both sides by log 4. Okay, by log 4. So we're going to have what? We're going to have this cancelling this. Then go to be left with x minus 1 equals log 25 all over log what? Log 4. X will now be equals to 1 plus log 25 divided by log 4. Now moving on, we have x equals 1 plus log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 4 is 2 to the power of 2. So we have x equals 1 plus 2 log 5 divided by 2 log 2. Okay, we're going to have x equals 1 plus this 2, we cancel this 2. We're going to have log 5 divided by log 2. Alright, so from there, we're going to have what? We're going to have x will be equals to 1 plus log this 2 and 5. So we can rewrite it like that. Alright, so now we have what? We have the solution to the problem with this. Now let's check whether we are right or not. So checking. To check, so we can check. We have 4 to the power of x equals 100. So we're going to have 4 to the power of 1 plus log is 5. Is this going to give us 100? Alright, so from there we're going to have this is going to be 4 to the power of 1. We can write it like that from the law of indices. And 4 to the power of log is 5. Then equals what? Equals 100. So we're going to have 4 multiplied by this 4 can be written. This 4 here can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. We're going to have 2 to the power of 2. Alright, multiplying log base 2 5. Then will this give us 100? We'll have 4 dot. These two we have to go. These two we have to come here and become the power of 5. So therefore we're going to have 2 to the power of log base 2, then 5 to the power of 2 equals 100. Okay, so we're going to have 4 multiplying 2 to the power of log base 2, then we have 25. It will just give us 100. Now from there, you can see that we have log 2 base 2. So now here, according to what we have here, with this, we cancel this. For example, when you recall, when you have a log plus ab, so it means that this will be what? This will be b. So that is what we use here. So therefore, lastly, we're going to have what? We're going to have 4 multiplying 25, which is equals to 100. So 4 multiplying by 25, we're going to have what? We're going to have 100 equals what? Equals 100. So which shows that we have our final answer. Right? If you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your friends so they can learn from this. If you are just watching for the first time, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime you upload new content. Thank you for watching. Bye.